بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Say صلى الله عليه وسلم. صلى الله عليه وسلم. Today we're going to revise together the spelling that we haven't finished, okay, on Sunday because we had a little bit of revising for the exam, if you remember that, because we had the exam on Monday, so we didn't finish. So we're going to carry on with the spelling and we're going to finish it together, God willing, okay? So let's start. Grade 4, of course. First of all, what is a noun? I have explained this. I have said a noun is something that names a person, okay, just like you see here, a person, just like Anita, Malik, Abdul Rahman, Khalid, Saad. Anyone's name is a noun. Then places, just like forest, school, museum, any place you go to is a noun. A park, for example. Animals, all the animals are named, okay, and their names are nouns. Things, phone, book, laptop, ring, headphones, anything you name is a noun. However, I want you to pay attention to this. An action is not a noun, it's a verb. Automatically, please. It's not a noun, it's a verb. So anything you name is a noun, okay? Except actions. When you name actions, those are verbs. For example, jump, play, cook, think, okay? All of those are verbs. They are not nouns. Let's carry on. Now, what are the differences between singular and plural nouns? Now, pay attention to teacher, please. Singular is derived from the word single, which means one, by itself. However, plural is derived from the word plus, which means more than one. You see, my boys? So singular is talking about one thing. However, plural is talking about more than one thing. You see here, I only have one bee. Here I have many bees. I know that a lot of you or all of you are going to say, but teacher, we know the rule. The rule is to add an S, that's it. No, not always. And that's what we're going to study today, you see? Let's carry on. The rule here, for example, if I take the word, for example, book, I'm going to add an S and I'm going to get the plural, books. So one book without an S is singular, many books with an S is plural, more than one book, okay? Those are called regular plurals because they follow the rule. They are weak plurals, you see? Oh my God, the rule. I will respect you and I will add the S. And the rule will be like, I'm the one here. Okay, I will apply myself on those regular words, on those weak words. However, we have some strong plurals, okay? They are like gangsters. Just like, for example, the word child. The rule is passing by and child is coming. Hey child, I'm going to put an S on you. And child is going to look like, what? I'm a gangster. I'm going to follow my own rule. I won't follow your rule. You see, imagine it this way. Okay? And child will never put an S. And its plural, which is irregular, it does not follow the rule, is going to be children. Here, for example, we have goose. Is going to be geese, not gooses. Mouse is going to be mice. And there is no rule here, okay? Some people are going to say, mouse, mice, then house is heis. Wrong. There is no rule here. You have to read, you have to pay attention to teacher, and you have to learn, okay? You have to read a lot, and you're going to know a lot of irregular plurals. Here, loaf, loaves. Some people are going to say, whenever I will have an F by the end, I'm going to change it into a VES in 95% of the cases. But we have some irregular cases which will not follow the rule of an F, change it into a VES, and I'm going to show you. Ox, of course, which is the male of the cow, oxen. Woman, women. You see here we have changed the A with an E. Person, it changed, the whole word changes. People, child, of course, one of the gangsters, children. Man is going to be man with the E. Cactus, cacti. I hope that I made it clear for you. It does not follow any rule. You have to learn it by heart. Then, how is the plural noun formed? The plural form of most nouns by adding s to a singular or form by adding an s to singular noun. Book is going to be books and bag is going to be bags. However, this is a rule. This is another rule, okay? Whenever you have a ch, an x, an s, an sh, a z, or an s, just add an es. Clear, my boys? By the end of the word. For example, here I have church. It's going to be churches. Books, boxes. Gas, gases. Bush, bushes. Quiz with a Z is going to be quizzes. You see, my boys? As easy as that. So you have to learn this by heart. For example, bus. Cannot say bus with double S to say it's a plural. Wrong. Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Okay? Class. Classes. Cannot add a third S, it's wrong. Classes. Double S-E-S. You see, my boys? That's the rule here. You see? Okay. So whenever I have a CH, X, S, SH, Z, or S by the end of the word, of the noun, I'm going to add ES automatically. Now, changing their vowels for the plural. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. No rule, no pattern to follow, you see. Even here, foot, feet, goose, geese, 90% of the words, okay? You have to learn the words. Here, add in a syllable. Child, children. Ox, oxen. What is the rule here? I have no pattern to follow, so I have to learn them by heart. Here, some words do not change, just like sheep in the singular, sheep in the plural. Moose in the singular, moose in the plural. Deer in the singular, deer in the plural. Salmon in the singular, salmon in the plural. Pay attention to fish, please. It has two plurals, okay? Fish and fishes. And I'm going to explain. If you're talking about the same kind of fish, a lot of fish, and the same kind of fish, it's going to be fish. If you're talking about a lot of kinds of fishes, it's going to be fishes. You see, when you talk about one kind, a lot of fish, is going to be fish, the plural. When you're talking about different kinds of fishes, it's going to be fishes. Okay? Now, if the word ends in a vowel and O, we just add an S. Okay? My video is going to stop, so I'm going to move on to video number 2. Please go to part 2. It's too important.